We are at the platform. So you can get the shoe covers for free here, like these. You have to get these shoe covers before entering on top of that mausoleum, the main Taj Mahal. So now we're gonna go and enter. But it's beautiful. The words are just not enough to describe how beautiful it is. Now we're heading to enter on top of the Taj Mahal. Wait, let me touch it. Here. Wow, I touched the Taj Mahal. That is like, wow, that's always been my wish. Sir. Okay, let's see. This is the main gateway, and the stairs are wooden. Okay. Whoa, I touched it again. Look at that. Dude. This is like beyond beautiful. Wow. Like, okay, so now we're entering. Man, it really is very beautiful. Okay, so photography is not allowed. That's about the backside of the Taj Mahal. And that is the Yamuna River. Okay. Okay. It's a little dried because of the summers. So, yeah. And this is the Taj Mahal. Just this is me. Yeah, I'm literally at Taj Mahal, and I love it. Yep. Oh, by the way, there is like adjacent right next to the river on that side. You can see like there's like a platform of some sort. And it is said that Shah Jahan, the emperor who built the Taj Mahal, who ordered the Taj Mahal to be built, he manifested like another black colored Taj Mahal, but I don't know if it's true or not, but yeah. But it certainly has a beautiful garden. You can see purple and red flowers in the trees, so yeah, very beautiful. But yep. So behind me you see one of the wonders of the world, and my visit to Taj Mahal finally comes to an end. And I'm gonna rush back to my hotel, have my breakfast. But yeah, I'm speechless. It really is beautiful, marvelously beautiful. I mean, I have no words. Obviously, because I live in this state, and it's so close to me. Never really thought of this thing because when you have something, you don't really understand the worth of it, like the cost of it. But everybody must, at least once in their life, visit the Taj Mahal. It really is spectacular. One of the most beautiful buildings that I have ever seen in my entire life. And it is so grand. I mean, when you look at the videos and stuff, it may appear a little, I don't know, smaller to you, but it really is just spectacularly huge and grand, you know? Yeah. And especially if you're coming in forenoon. That's the morning time, like I did. It'll be all for you. Like, yeah, it was almost like a private visit because it was all empty, no people around. But obviously now you can see people have started coming in. But still, morning time is still the best time to visit. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Ooh. Absolutely spectacular. So now I'm going out after having visited the Taj Mahal, and it was just spectacular, absolutely amazing, and I cannot wait to see the Taj Mahal again. Beautiful. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But you know, it's not just the Taj Mahal actually. It's just the entire complex. Like, look at this, the compound. You have manicured gardens, beautiful trees. It's so well maintained, and I absolutely love it. It's beautiful, really spectacularly beautiful. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Love you all.